Hi, Joe Palmer here. It's Friday, February 2nd, and I'm doing a follow-up video to what I had discussed yesterday concerning the Mediterranean diet plan that I've entered on again. To get right to the headlines, as they say, yesterday when I started this thing, the scale had indicated 252.3 pounds. This morning it was 251.2, so lost a pound, 1.1 pounds since I started this thing, which is not bad. And I'm going to get a little bit into this in a bit. I had 1,787 thereabout calories yesterday, and that fits in with the low and the high end of the data from the website that I had mentioned as well, concerning a weight loss program that is, kind of for me. I think it's important to also recognize, and I want to thank one of the viewers who had mentioned that given this time of the year here, certainly here in the Midwest, it's not the easiest thing in the world to go outside and work in your yard or, take walks and what have you. So walk around your home, walk around your condo, your townhouse, your house. If the weather does hit a little bit warmer than, and it's something you can tolerate, go out for a short walk. You'd be surprised how many thousands of steps you'll add up at the end of the day. Just a simple suggestion, even if you're a real couch potato, when a commercial comes on TV, get up and walk around until the commercial is over. Anything as far as activity will help, and that's it. I indicated yesterday what I had for breakfast, and I'll be posting or mentioning a little bit what I did do for lunch, which was a smoothie. And then for dinner, I had a chickpea and sweet potato soup that I had made about a week or so ago. And I got the recipe for that soup off of a really, in my opinion, great website. I think it's mediterraneandish.com, and I'll post a link to that site in the description. Someone had suggested in another YouTube video that there's 4 or 5 Mediterranean diet cookbooks that one could buy to help them out in their meal planning and what have you. And the only thing I got to say about that is, if you're really into the cooking aspect of it, fine and dandy, go out and spend your money on the cookbooks. To me, it's a lot easier and it's far more economical to Google a particular topic, and then all of a sudden all the recipes will come up. The same thing with YouTube. Just type in what you're looking for, and there's going to be a myriad of YouTube videos out there with menus to what's being presented. So, do you need to buy a cookbook? Maybe not. But in any case, that's what I'm going to be doing, and that's what I have done in the past. The other thing about planning your meals, and this is the only thing I really want to mention heavily in this video, is that don't make the mistake that I used to do when it get to be close to 5 o'clock or whatever your normal dinner time is, and I'd say, what am I going to have? And then I'd look in the pantry, or I'd look in the refrigerator or the freezer, and I'd say, okay, yeah, well, maybe I'll make this, maybe I'll make that. No real plan in place for what I was going to be doing. And so I strongly suggest that you do your meal planning. Know what you're going to do for breakfast, know what you're going to do for your lunch, and know what you're going to do for dinner, at least a day in advance. That way you're not going to be hunting around the house and saying, oh, yeah, I should do this. And now let me just get on the phone and order a pizza. You don't want to fall into that habit. So the key thing is to, plan your menus and try to shop well enough in advance for the type of meals that you want to make. So in any case, that's it. I'm going to be posting these videos every day. It's some of them will only be a minute or two to just say, hey, this is what I ate. This is where I'm at. This is what I'm going to do. So, oh yeah, the final thing. Final. I said I lost 1.1 pounds. I had actually started this diet about a week ago, and I lost 6 pounds in the first week. So yeah, I was a lot heavier than the 252. I was tipping the scales, and I still am. I'm not going to deny that. But I see a lot, particularly now at the beginning of the year, these advertisements on TV for various companies that will provide you nutritious meals and everything else. And hey, I am not saying don't do that. I'm not suggesting at all that these companies are out to take your money. Oh, well, they are. I will suggest that if you took the time to do some planning, you could make those meals a lot more economically at home than having them delivered. But I understand that people have got busy lives, and sometimes, hey, it's a lot easier just to have that box there and open it up and pop it in the microwave. But what I wanted to mention about weight loss is if you ever read the small print on their TV ads, they'll say usually weight loss would be 1 to 2 pounds per week. And that's what kind of people will tell you is the healthiest way to lose weight and one of the healthiest ways to keep it off. All these fad diets, in my opinion, they're really good at losing weight real quick in some cases, but you're going to put it back on if you don't change your diet. And I'll go say this until I'm blue in the face. Your diet is nothing more than what you're eating. So that's it. No more pontificating for me for the day. Anyway, but I hope you enjoyed these videos. Please subscribe. I value, for example, like I said, I got a comment from a viewer yesterday who was talking, I didn't think about that. Walk around your house, do your chores. You're burning up calories, and that's important. Don't be a couch potato and burn up what calories you can burn up when you can. So again, I want to thank you for viewing the videos. I want to thank you for subscribing if you are subscribers. Hope you do subscribe. I've said that enough. And stay well, stay safe, and God bless.